Part of speech, pose tagging. In natural language processing, pose tagging is a process where each word in a sentence is assigned a specific grammatical category or part of speech, such as noun, verb, adjective, etc. These tags provide information about the syntactic structure of a sentence and help in understanding the role of each word in the context of a sentence. Pose tagging helps computers understand the structure of a sentence, which is crucial for various NLP applications. The topmost applications which uses pose tagging are text summarization, machine translation, sentiment analysis, question answering systems, and the most important one is chatbot. Consider a chatbot designed for the banking sector. Suppose a user queries the bot, how to close my savings account. Understanding and responding appropriately to such inquiries is where pose tagging becomes crucial. By subjecting the user input to pose tagging, we obtain this. Now, armed with this information, the bot can customize its response based on the identified verb and noun in the result. This helps the bot grasp the user's intention more accurately and gives a more fitting answer that makes sense in the conversation. There are numerous models for pose tagging, but Flair stands out as one of the most impressive and advanced ones. It provides state-of-the-art models for various NLP tasks, including pose tagging, named entity recognition, sentiment analysis, and more. Flair is built on PyTorch and is known for its simplicity and effectiveness. Let's begin. First, import the necessary libraries. From Flair.data, import sentence. From Flair.models, import sequence tagger. The sentence class in the Flair library is a data structure used to represent a text sentence. It provides a convenient way to work with and analyze text at the sentence level. The sequence tagger class in Flair is specifically designed for sequence labeling tasks. It is commonly used for tasks like pose tagging, where each word in the sequence is labeled with its grammatical category. Next, load a pre-trained pose tagging model. Tagger equals to sequence tagger.load and pass the model here. Flair/pose English. I have given the model link in description. The tagger is a neural network model trained to predict pose tags for words in English sentences. Next, take a user input to get the pose tags. User input equals to I lost my debit card. How do I report it? Next, we create a sentence object, which serves as a container for the input text. Sentence equals to the class sentence, and pass the user input. Next, we pass the created sentence object to the predict method of the tagger, tagger.predict, and pass the sentence. This step predicts pose tags for each word in the sentence using the loaded pose tagging model. Print sentence. Let's run the code. Here we are. We have the words and their tags in a list. It might be a bit hard to picture. Right. Let's make it simpler. Print them one by one. For entity in sentence, print entity. Run the code. You can check the meanings of those tags on the Hugging Face link provided in the description. The table shows the tag and its corresponding meaning. Looking at the results, you can see that lost, for which the tag is VB, which means verb, and debit card, for which the tag is yen yen, which means noun. Also, the word report is another doing word, verb in the second sentence. With this information, the chatbot can give a better response. That's why understanding parts of speech with pose tagging is crucial for a chatbot project. Let's try another sentence. I want to open a savings account. Run the code. We got the verb, open, and the noun, savings account. Let's try one more sentence. What's the procedure to apply for home loan? Run the code. We got the verb, apply, and the noun, home loan. That's all. This code we looked at is like a sneak peek into making chatbots smarter. It introduces a cool tool called pose tagging that helps the chatbot understand the roles of words and sentences, like which words are actions and which words are things. But hold on, just the beginning. In real applications, you could do much more. Imagine you're teaching the chatbot to recognize when someone wants to do something like open or apply, and what they want to do it to, like savings account or debit card. The more you fine-tune the functions based on the tags, the smarter and more versatile your chatbot becomes. It's like giving the chatbot a personalized dictionary to understand what users are saying and respond intelligently. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. Happy coding. Have a good day.